Hello friends, my name is Arjun Malik and today I will solve this challenging puzzle, math puzzle. So here, first I'll do the brackets. So here, not the big brackets but only the small brackets first. But there's no bar, so the bar is always first, but there's no bar, so the small brackets will go first. So 200 divided by 5 multiplied by, and if we solve this, 2 power 2 plus 60 divided by, and this will be solved 6 multiplied by, and then this will be solved the big bracket, but not the big brackets will be gone. Now minus bracket, and but the brackets are being solved, so this will be instead 6, and then big bracket minus 7. Now I'll do the big bracket. So 200 divided by 5 multiplied by 2 power 2 plus 60 divided by 6 multiplied by, and this will be solved in the brackets. So there will be 4 minus 7. So now I'll solve the powers. So this will be solved and this will become 4. So the division is now going first. So 200 divided by 5 is 40. Multiplied by 4 plus 60 divided by, and divide this by is getting solved. So this will be 10 instead. And multiply by 4 minus 7. Now this will be multiplied. So 160 plus 10, and the 10 will be multiplied, so 40 and minus 7. Now they will be plused. This will be 160 plus 40 is 200 minus 7 equals to 193, and the answer is 193. Yay! The answer is 193. So this big sum is actually inside easy. You only need just a multiply skills, division, addition and subtraction skills, and nothing you need. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more fun. Thank you. Bye bye.